Hello, everybody. Good evening. I hope you can all see my screen. I'm really sorry for the delay. Uh, this is actually my first live stream, and I had issue setting up. I had issue linking my PC, my linking the streaming software to my live stream. So I was just able to sort that out now. So please, if you can hear me, please indicate, and if you can't hear me, let me know. So I'll be going into the discussion for tonight soon. So let's wait for people who left the live stream before. So I'm really sorry for the delay. So can we hear me, please? Please, if you can't hear me, let me know so I will make adjustments to the sound. You can use the live session to let me know if you can't hear me. And please just bear with me. The screen might be a little bit slow, but it's just a little bit. Please, sure, everything will be fine. Okay. Okay, I think we have 7 people on the live stream now, so I think I should be able to start. I should be able to start the live stream now. Okay. Good evening, everybody. If you can hear me, please indicate. If you can hear me, please indicate. I'm trying to test the sound. I'll be going live now. If you can hear me, please kindly indicate. I can see the views are increasing, so this is really nice. Thanks for joining the live stream. Actually, this is actually my first live stream, so just kindly bear with me. Okay, kindly bear with me, please. I'm testing my mic, please. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, please? Okay. Good evening, everybody. My name is Ademo Steven, also known as HOC Low. I'll be going straight into our discussion for tonight. Um, Actually, a lot of people have this misconception about trading crypto, BTC, and stuff like that. But it's actually different from forex entirely. Though it's still kind of the same market, but it's actually different. Like the difference is large. So we need to be careful when you say you trade crypto, because the way we trade crypto is different from the way we trade forex. So I will start with the fundamentals. Though I know we have some bosses in the stream tonight, so I'm so really sorry to bore you with the detail with the fundamentals, but you just have to bear with the newbies on the live stream tonight. Um, First of all, I'll just have to do a brief introduction about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is actually a peer-to-peer network. It's actually based on the peer-to-peer network in which both end of the communication are encrypted. So nobody have complete power over the system. So nobody can control the system outrightly by itself. It has to be controlled by the whole of the community. So that's why the government can't shut down BTC. That's why nobody can shut down BTC. That's why Bitcoin is pumping right now. That's why everybody are forming into Bitcoin. So tonight we'll be going into introductory part of Bitcoin trading. So please, if you can see my webcam, please let's indicate. I'm not sure if you can see my webcam, but if you can see my webcam, please indicate. So okay, we'll be going into the introductory part tonight. Um, Bitcoin is actually it actually started based on the technology, but now it's being used as a mode of payment. So a lot of people got into Bitcoin based on the price going up and stuff like that, but it's actually more than that. and we need to change our mindset that Bitcoin is just only about money going up, actually about a way of making money. But Bitcoin is actually about privacy. It's about keeping you anonymous, so nobody know your net worth, nobody know is sending this money to this person. You can easily transfer funds all around the world with no bank charges and nobody knowing who you are. So you can spend your money in private without people bugging you and stuff like that. So I'll go straight into this website we'll be using tonight. We'll actually be using Binance. I will recommend Binance for newbies because I started with Binance when I started trading. So Binance it kind of have a how should I put it? It's kind of user friendly for new people who are just getting into crypto. So I recommend Binance. We have a referral link below this video where you can easily create a Binance account using my referral link. So public notice, if you use my referral link for your sign up, I will get a particular percentage each time you make any transaction on Binance. So you know that. Okay, this live stream is actually for introductory part, but my own style of trading crypto actually falls in three different parts. The number one is sports trading. The number two is futures trading, and the third one is investing. So disclaimer: this is not a financial advice, but I will explain each of them accordingly. For the purpose of tonight's video, we will only be talking about the spot trading. So by our next live stream, we won't have this delay we're having again, so everything will be smooth and easy. So the spot trading is actually, if you want to compare to forex, it's actually a way of buying a coin when it's low and selling it when it's high without exposing yourself to high risks. So with spot trading for newbies, so with spot trading, at least with proper analysis and good fundamentals, you should be able to make 50 to 100% of your invested capital within a month if you're able to take profitable trades. So spot trading is actually okay. Your losses are not that much, but your profits are okay. But I wouldn't like to. I hardly do spot trading. I'll only be going back to spot trading because for the purpose of this video. Because after this video, I'll be creating a group chat for everybody that is on this live stream to join a WhatsApp group chat where I'll be posting trades for the newbies to take. So for this video, I'll only be teaching you fundamentals of the trading and how to take the trades and virtually how to make money trading. So I won't be bothering with the analysis, how to determine when the coin is going up, how to determine when to buy, how to determine when to sell. I will only be showing how to take the trades that I'll be giving you. So at least with that, you can still start trading and start earning money following the coins and trade setup I'll be posting for now. Then the second one is the futures trading. With that one, you can make, it depends on, this is actually for the professional. This is actually for the pro in the industry already. With futures trading, you can make 1000% of your capital in a day. You can make 100% in a day. You can make 500% in a day, depending on how good you are. And you can also lose all your capital at once within a minute. I actually had a bad trade this morning. I went on a futures trade with 100x leverage. With that I have zero this thing. I use the high risk for the trade and lost all my capital. If those that follow me on WhatsApp will have seen that on my WhatsApp status early this morning. So futures trading is highly risky. It's just like trading crash and boom on the forex market. Is highly risky. The only difference between futures trading and what they call it, sports trading, is that with sport trading your risks are not much. You have risks, maybe a risk of 1%, 2%, 5%, but on the futures you can lose everything and you can make a lot. With futures, you're exposing all your capital to liquidation. Anything can, with if you don't use a proper stop loss, you can lose everything. So I'm intentionally hammering on that point that you can lose everything in futures. Futures is not for newbies. So I would strongly suggest to start with the spot trading for now. Please, I'm really sorry if for the way the live stream is going. This is actually my first time live streaming, so please just bear with me. The next one will be better, and this thing I'm trying to put in my this so you can see my face. I don't know if you can see my face. If you can see my camera, okay, you can see my camera. Let me add my camera so you can see my face. Okay, once I add my camera, I'll be going straight into the spot trading, and let me talk about the third way of trading I do. That's the investment. The investment was just like you're buying shares in new companies when they are low and selling them when they are high. With this investment type, you can actually make large profits. You can make large profit in the sense that you can buy coins when they are just coming. Like you can buy them when they are just launching them, and sell them when it's high. So with the right coin, you can easily make 100 times 100 of your investments within a few days, within a few hours, within few weeks, depending on the coin. But the only risk that comes with this investment is that it requires, okay, the only issue with it is that it requires a lot, how should I put it, it requires a lot of research work. So you need to do a lot of research and due diligence before you buy a particular coin. You need to know what the project is all about, so you don't just buy a coin that's just going to go down immediately. Buy it, you buy a coin that has prospects, you buy a coin that has future. So you won't just be buying into a fake coin or a fake project. So before you buy coins like that, you make sure that you do your research and you are sure this coin, at least it has prospect, it has a working usefulness. It's not that coins are not useful that I just buy and there's no essence of using the program, as in the coin doesn't have a working platform. It's just a coin. They don't have anything to support their coin. They don't have anything they are doing. They just create a coin. So coins like that don't really thrive. So you want to buy coins that will thrive. So I will once I create the WhatsApp group chat, I'll post it on my WhatsApp status so people can join the WhatsApp group chat. I'll be posting coins that I'll be buying. That's for the third way of investing. I'll be posting coins that I'm buying, so we can you can invest in those coins and wait for it to go up and sell them. This mostly the best way to invest in these coins are in ICO level. So you can get in at the earlier stage instead of getting at the late stage, so you have more profit. I've seen coin go 100x. I was opportune to buy into a coin that gave me 100 times of my money. That's like if you invested $1,000, 100x is $100,000. Though I couldn't put a lot of money in the coin, so I put about $50. So is it $50 or I don't know, the money wasn't much, so I just got like $5,000 or so. I know the money wasn't much, maybe I put $5, so I can't really remember. But I know I was opportune to at least eat out of that cake, out of that 100x profit. So all these coins, I'll be posting them on the WhatsApp group chat so everybody can buy them. So I will also be giving us an insight on how I take my trades. The calculation involves, you just don't put all your money in a single trade. You just don't risk all your money in a single trade, because there will still be other trades to take along the way. So you need to be how should I put it, you need to be prepared for all the trades that you are going to take in a month. So I will just briefly explain how I take trades. For the spot trading, which we will be doing, which I'll be introducing you guys to, what I do, for instance, you have $1,000. You want to invest in crypto, you want to start spot trading $1,000. What you can do is simply, number one, you divide that $1,000 into, let's say, 10 places. So if you divide that into 10 places, you'll be taking only 10 trades in a month, except if your coin quickly picks up and you are able to take profits before the end of the month. So you know that you'll be able to take more than 10 trades, but minimum of 10 trades in a month. So with that, you can also make it, you can divide it by 20 depending on your capital. And my advice is, don't do more than that. Don't invest more than that. Never invest more than that. So if I post a trade, let's say you have your whole capital is $1,000. If I post a trade, if I post a trade, your first trade, you can use $100 for the first trade. I post another one, use $100, and you set your take profit and stop loss and everything. Everything will be shown in a second. Now this live stream won't be that long, so everybody, I won't bore you with unnecessary details. I'll give you everything you need for the live stream, so it won't be long. I just want to explain some fundamentals, so that once I start posting trades in the group chat, everybody will be able to take them and we'll be able to make profits this December. So now to start the live stream, to start the tutorial, okay, least I forget, if you want to invest in Bitcoin also, like you want to put your money in Bitcoin. When I say invest in Bitcoin, I mean holding Bitcoin, holding ETH. You buy them and you use them, you sell them when it goes up. What I do, the simple logic I do is that I invest 50% of my cap. This is not spot trade, this is actually investment on a separate note. This is just added to it. I invest 50% of my capital in Bitcoin, 30% in ETH, and then the remaining 20% I divide them into altcoins. Those are the coins I'll be posting, the ICO coins that we'll be investing in, that can go 100x, can go 20x. So that's how I divide them. So you can also readjust it to suit your own your own style, but just make sure that majority of your capital is in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is still the king. Bitcoin is their king. So just make sure that's that. Okay, I'll be going to my Binance account now. I'll just do a brief survey of my Binance, of the Binance platform. Once you sign up for a Binance account, you have this home screen. So the first thing to do, once you have this home screen, the first thing to do is to come over here. Just come over here under wallet, click on overview. This will take you to the other dashboard that will show the whole this dashboard will show the whole screen, the whole coin I have in my account. So okay, and I need to crop this. Okay, please, if you can't see my screen, please indicate, so I won't be how should I put it, I won't be talking to myself, so everybody can have a glance of what's going on. I'm trying to adjust the screen so everybody can have a view of what's going on in the back end. Okay, I don't know, is this okay? Can you see the screen? Can you see everything? If you can't see it, please let me know. I hope you can see the screen this way, so at least it's manageable. Okay, let me go back to my Binance screen. Okay, this is the Binance dashboard. Number one, you have your total balance here. Then this is the sports account I was telling you about. Then this is the features, which I told you that is very risky. The features trade that is very risky. So for today's tutorial, we'll be using the sports. So you click here. The first thing you need to do is to deposit coin into your account. So you just click on deposit, you'll be provided with the wallet address. I'm sorry, I know most of us know how to do this, but there are some newbies among us who don't know how to do that. So you'll be provided with a wallet address, and you provided with the wallet address and a barcode. You choose the one which you want. So yeah, this is the barcode and this is the wallet address. You just simply copy this. This is your wallet address. So this is for the Bitcoin wallet. So you copy this wallet address here, this here. Then you send your Bitcoin to this wallet address. I believe you all know how to do this. Then if it's ETH, you select ETH. ETH is Ethereum, and if it's XRP, you search for XRP depending on the coin you want to deposit. So let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, to take trade on Binance, we make use of the trade tab. You can actually use the classic, but I will advise you use the advanced. I use the advanced for all my trade. Click on the advanced. So this is where the main tutorial is. This is where I need to make explanation. I'll explain the whole system. Though it looks confusing to the newbies, but there's really nothing special about this. It's just a way to complicate matters. There's nothing there. Okay, this is your chat board where we see the coin graph, the graphical interface for the coin, the selling and buying. The coin is going up or is coming down. My settings is set on green as going up and red as coming down. That's basically the default settings. So yeah, where we see this BTC/USDT, it's showing the trading pair. So we'll be trading tonight. We'll be trading XRP/BTC. Let's trade XRP/BTC. So to do that, you need to click on BTC first. So that's the base currency. That's the same way we trade forex. You click on BTC, then type in the currency you want to trade it against. Let's say XRP. Okay, XRP. So once I click on XRP, we have the first one. That's XRP/BTC. That's the first one. I click on that. Now let me explain this interface to us. This here is the order book. We see prices going up, coming down. The red prices are actually the amount of Bitcoin being sold and at what price XRP. We have 2,000. We have the price, the amount of XRP, 10,000 XRP, 70,000 XRP here under the amount, and we have their price in the equivalent BTC. We are trading it against BTC instead of USD, because all this thing, there are different ways to make profits with this. The price for BTC for trading against BTC is different from the price for trading against USDT. So this is the order book where we see orders being placed. So once we place an order, our order to be added to the order book. So depending on what price we choose, there will be an indicator here to show us which one is our order. So the green one stands for people buying, and the red one stands for people. Like crypto trading is about fight between two people, the people that are selling and the people that are buying. We call the sellers the bears, we call the buyers the bull. Basically the bull means it's going up and the bear means it's coming down. So it's basically a fight between the bears and the bull. Everybody always wants the bulls to win, because that's when we see Bitcoin pumping, that's when we see everything going up. Okay, so for today's tutorial, trading spot alone, there are still other ways to trade the spot too. We have the margin, but we are not going into that today. Just we are concerned about spots. We are mostly concerned about making quick money for now. So this is where we place our order. If you can see my screen here, under the place order, we have the button, I have the sell button. For so if you want to buy a coin now, if you want to buy XRP, we say the amount of XRP we want to buy. If our BTC balance can actually buy it, we are buying the XRP. We are buying the XRP with our BTC. So you should get that. We are not using USD to buy it. We are buying it with BTC. We already have. It means we already have BTC in our wallet. The BTC I have in this wallet is not much. So before we proceed, I will show you a coin to another. I have ETH, but I want us to buy this coin. I need to convert my ETH to BTC. So to convert ETH to BTC is still the same way I'm going to trade this, but let me show us that first. I will click on. I'm already on that BTC. I'll just type in ETH. So this is the ETH BTC pair. So I click on that. I'll convert a little bit of my ETH to BTC. Yeah. I'll convert a little bit of my ETH to BTC, and I can also use this to explain how the system works. Okay, this is it. We have different way of placing order. We have the limit order. This means we are going to state the price when we want to buy or sell the coin. For instance, I want to sell ETH to BTC, so I want to convert ETH to BTC. So I'll say I'm going to sell my ETH once I want it to be sold once it reaches this price. That's the 0.029 Satoshi. So I want to sell my ETH once it reaches that price. So limit order, it simply means, okay, sell this particular amount of coin price. So it doesn't mean you are selling instantly. So with this, we can buy a coin and set our take profit at a higher price. So it's straightforward. So when we use sell a limit order, it means we are not carrying out the action immediately. It's like using an if statement in programming. We want this happen, do this. So for instance, if I want to sell my ETH now at 0.0285, I'll just come here and set the price where I'll be selling my ETH. Notice I choose the price from this place. This is the price I'm using. This one. So I'll type it here. The price, you see price in front of it, 0.085. Then how many of my ETH do I want to sell to BTC? I can just sell maybe 20%, or I can type in the amount here. But let's say I'm saying 20% of my, okay, let's say 50% of the ETH on this account I want to sell it to BTC at this price. So I just click on the sell ETH. I already set the price. I already set the amount I want to sell. This is my total ETH I have on my wallet. Click on sell. If we look here, we'll see that it created this sell block for me here, and it created a sell order. It's going to create a sell order for me here, but mine is not close to the display. We have a lot of people before me that is going to fit. For the purpose of this tutorial, we don't have time. I'll be explaining the second way of taking a trade, the second way of selling or buying on Binance. So the second way is simply by using a market order. So we already create a sell limit here, a sell order here, but we can't chill for the sell order to be triggered to sell our ETH to Bitcoin. We want to sell it instantly. Maybe the coin is dumping or the coin is pumping, and you want to sell your coin immediately at the current market price. You don't want to use your own market price. That's where the market order comes in. What the price? It means the order will be filled based on the current market price. So let's see the current price of ETH to BTC is 0.028133 per per coin. That order. So if I do the current market price, let me cancel the sell limit I already created. I cancelled that already. Just click on the cancel button. if I'll be using that, I set the only thing I'll just be setting is the amount of ETH I'm willing to sell. So that's 50% of my ETH bag. Then once I click on the sell ETH, you can see here my order has been filled. It's immediately converted my ETH to BTC without waiting for anything, using the current market price to fill my order. So now I've been able to convert 0.2 ETH to BTC. So now let's go back to our XRP trade, because I want to use the XRP for the explanation. XRP. So this is XRP against BTC. If you look up here, we have XRP slash BTC. XRP slash BTC. We want to buy XRP now. Let's say XRP is low. We want to buy it now. Then we'll sell it when it reaches here. So with that, I'll be able to explain the concept of stop limits. That's the third one here. So when you are using Binance to trade, you can only buy, sell. You can't set stop loss and take profit at the same time. You can only do one at a time. So that's why people use third-party softwares for spot trading on Binance. So there are third-party software you can use. We have 3Commas. We have a lot of them. There's also a Telegram software I do use then, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I won't be going into that. I'll just be simply explaining how to take trades and how to take your profit. But there's a way around. The way I get about this is that anytime I want to enter a trade, I know I can't put stop loss and take profit on Binance at the same time. So I use this stop limit. With stop limit, you can set stop loss and take profit. Though they don't call it that here, but you can actually set it. So first of all, let's buy XRP with our BTC. So to buy XRP, so anytime I post a trade, I'll be posting buy and sell at this particular price. So for instance, if I'll post a trade, say XRP against BTC, buy at so Satoshi, you can say buy at this current Satoshi. So if I post a trade and you didn't get the message immediately, you can just actually market buy so that you don't miss out on the trade. So far the trade hasn't gone up too much, so you don't miss out on it. So you can set your stop limit, but if you see it already pumping, just market buy so you can get in on the train. So once I post a trade, the first thing you need to do is to buy. Yeah, let's say I say buy XRP at this price. Let's say I say buy XRP at so price. Let me market buy XRP. I'll be selling my whole BTC to buy XRP, and I'll be placing a market order. So once I place a market order, buy XRP, you can see my order has been filled. I have XRP now. So anytime I post a trade signal, there will be a buy and there will be a sell. So once you buy, you set your sell. So your sell is basically your take profit. So we have XRP already. We bought XRP around this price. So let's say we are taking profit at this place around this 2,644 satoshis. So what I'll simply do is we already bought. We buying it is our is us entering the trade. Then we selling it is us taking profit. So to take profit, you simply do this. You click on the sell. You click on limits, because we're not market selling. We're not selling it yet. We want to sell it once it reaches this place. So let's say I'm selling it once it reaches 2,650. So I'll just change this. I'll just put 2,650. So then I'll put amount of XRP I'm selling. Okay, let's say we bought $100 worth of XRP in the first stage. So there will be various take profit along the run. So the simple way of doing this is at this price, sell this amount. Then once it go higher than that, sell this particular amount. So what I do is, let's say first take profit is 2,650 satoshi. This. So what we do is you choose, okay, sell 25% of your XRP. That's your first take profit at this price. Let's set that. So these are first take profits. They will now go again. No, for me doing 25%, I'm left with 75%, but it's not going to be equivalent to 100%. So, and most of the time, take profit is going to be 3. Most of the time, I'll take profit will be 3. So, the third take profit would be, let's say, the third take profits, depending on the chart, this explanation will be here. So, that will be 2,745. 2,745. We input that here. 2,745. 745. Then I'm selling half of my this thing here. Like I'm selling another half at this price. So I set the next take profit. That's that. Then the third take profit should be, let's say it's around here, 2,800. So if the third take profit is around 2,800, that will be 28. Then I'll just put 100%. So I'm selling the many of my XRP at this price. So a way of entering. This is basically the way I would advise you to enter. Sure you get. So once we enter a trade like this, once we set everything like this, the next thing to do is you have to be monitoring the trade, because since you're not using the paid software, the 3 commands I told you about that can set everything at once is a paid software, a paid website that you link to your account. So with that, you can set everything and go to sleep, set your stop loss, set everything. You don't need to worry. But because of we are doing everything manually, you have to be checking. Has it gone up? Should I sell now? Stuff like that. Has it reached my first take profits? So this is a way of entering the trade. But with this way, see, we don't have a stop loss. So if the coin should fall below this, you can't know. And the only way to know is only if you set an alarm. Like you set the price alarm. So you do that on the mobile phone, on the Binance mobile app. Well, maybe after the stream, you can just buzz me up to just explain how to set up the alarm, because I'm not using the mobile app now, I'm using the PC version. So you set an alarm that, okay, that's the alternative of setting stop loss. If you want to set stop loss, you set an alarm that once price reaches this, what do you call it? Once price reaches this particular price, I'm going to take profit. I'm going to stop. I'm going to close the trade. That means I'm already losing. So to do that, you just set an alarm basically. So, but this is the first way. This is the easier way of setting up a trade for now. Then after this, maybe next video I'll explain how we can link our accounts to stuff like that. Though for those who are having issues understanding this, I will have a one-on-one session. I can have a one-on-one session with each of us tomorrow, maybe a Skype or live, a Skype or any sort of video call tomorrow, just to better explain, because I know some people might have issues understanding this, because this is actually my first live stream and I don't know how good I'm doing it, if I'm doing it bad or if I'm doing it good. So that's that. Then another way of setting this is that you won't set all your take profit at once. Let's cancel all take profits. I'm canceling take profit. So I only bought the coin, I only entered the trade. I didn't set, we don't have take profit and we don't have stop loss. So I'll use the stop limits. So when I'm using the stop limits, I'll be able to set a take profit and a stop loss. Yeah. So this is stop, and then okay. Okay, sorry. We are not using the stop limit, rather. The stop limit is basically the same thing with the limit, but it's like, let's say once the price reach $1, sell my coin at $2. It's basically an if statement. It's like, okay, you don't really need stop limits, because stop limits will is like setting that once a price reaches this price, I want to set a trigger for I want it to trigger this particular action. So let's say once the price of Bitcoin reach $20,300, I want it to trigger that it should sell my Bitcoin at $20,400. So it's not selling it at $20,300. It's just going to put in your order on the order book. Then it's going to put in your order for $20,400. So that's basically what the stop limit is for. But for us to set take profit and stop loss, we are going to be using OCO model. The OCO will let us be able to set take profits and stop loss. And this video will be available after the live stream, so we don't need to worry if you can't continue. So with this, you can set take profit and stop loss at the same time, but you can't set more than one take profit. That's the issue. That's the only issue we'll be having. So to set take profit and stop loss at the same time, we can only do one take profit with this. So there's basically no use for it if we'll be taking 3 take profits. So but let me just explain this for the purpose of this tutorial. To set this, let me zoom this in. I don't know if you can see this. I want to put it on the center, but if you can see it, then it's fine. So to set this, we have price here. Okay, we have price of BTC here, and we have the amount. So sell, how should I explain? This is for the stop loss, this is for the take profits, and this is for the stop loss. So we basically, number one thing you need to do is amount of XRP. So if I do this OCO, you have to use, we can't set multiple take profit, only have one take profit, except maybe later if I can find a trick around it. So I just about finding something around, finding the way around it. So for this is the take profit, and this is the stop loss. We get, so we're setting the price where we'll be taking profit here, and we're setting the price where we'll be taking our stop loss here. So let's say once Bitcoin reaches, let's say our take profit is 0.000, how many 0 4 zeros, 2758. Let's say that's our take profits. Then our stop loss is going to be below our below our entry points, and it's going to be like when the loss is too much and we can't continue the trade, so we have to leave the trade. So let's say our stop loss is 0.0000 2500. Then this is the limit order, then the amount of SRP. Sorry, it's going to be sell. This is going to be sell rather, since we are taking profit and stop loss both already. OCO 0.00027500, and stop loss 0.000025. Then I selling all the coin. I setting to all the coin. Okay. Then SRP. So you see that immediately we have a sell block here and a sell block here. The one below our entry point is our stop loss, and this is our take profit. But you see, you can't have more than one take profit. So I basically advise us to take this approach I'll be explaining now. So once I post a coin, and you enter the trade, I'm cancelling this take profits and this stop loss. I'm cancelling the OC order. Once I post a coin and enter the trade, you choose one. It's either you input your stop loss or input your take profit. So we advise you use stop loss. So once you enter the trade, that you're already in the trade, you just come to your sell and use your normal limit. Then input the stop loss. The stop loss will be given to us in the trade. That would be, let's say our stop loss is 2.5. This is our stop loss, and we're selling all our bags at that stop loss. We're selling everything that we are no longer interested in trade. Give us our BTC back. We don't want to SRP again. So this is our stop loss. So these are stop loss. So once we do that, we are in the trade. So once once you the only thing you need to be doing after this is just be monitoring it and be checking the price. Once the price reaches our first take profits, you cancel this stop loss and take profits. You cancel this stop loss and you sell at the price of the profit. But if this stop loss is below our entry point, is at minus, then sell at the plus, at the positive, because the stop loss is at negative. So basically, our advice is just you can use this, and you can use the first method, which is setting all your take profit. I can use the OCU method. So if you are using the OCU method, you just know that you have only one take profit. You can also use that if it's fine by you. And if you are conversant with the app or the website, you can be editing the OCU as the price is going up. So you'll be editing your take profit. You have one take profit, but you'll be editing it as it's going up. So that's basically it. So today we didn't actually cover the analysis, how to know which trades to take, how to analyze trades before you enter a trade, how to check all this stuff. So this is our order book. Okay, this is our order book rather, but this panel is where you see your orders. Here we see open orders. That means active orders which you are currently in. Then the order history shows history of your previous order, all the orders you've taken, all your trades, then all your order rather, like all your buy and your sell order. Then the trade history shows all your trades, including the buy, including the sell, everything. This is the trade history. Then the fund history means how you've been moving fund, like how you moving fund within your account. So you basically don't need this, just a way to trace your transactions on the this thing on the website. Then what else do I have to explain? What else? Basically, what we need for now is how to place the trade and how to leave the trade. So I know some people might have issues with this tutorial because I know it might not be fluent enough. So what I will do is that after this just give us an insight and an insight of how everything looks like. After this, when I'm posting trades, I'll be doing a voice note to explain how to take the trade for now, so at least to make us comfortable with it. So once I'm comfortable with taking the trade, everything will be easier. So I'll be posting the trade alone. So for now, what else do I need to talk about? So this derivative, this for the futures. We are not talking about this today. That will be later on, and other stuff like that. So basically, this is what we want to cover. So once you take your trade, you take your profitable trade, and you want to leave, and you want to withdraw your money, you simply go to your wallet overview. You go to your wallet overview, then click on withdraw. If you want to click on withdraw, once you click on withdraw, you click on crypto. Always remember that. Please click on crypto, and you put always make sure that you choose the coin you are withdrawing. You input the wallet address. You put your wallet address here, the wallet address you are sending the Bitcoin to. Then you select what type of this thing you'll be using. So make sure you choose BTC. Make sure you always select this, because I have issues of people selecting the wrong Bitcoin. We have people selecting BSC, understand? We have selecting BSC or the Binance chain or the Ethereum this thing. Always select the coin, the one you want to withdraw, BTC. So you won't send funds to the wrong account, because you might not be able to recover your funds again. So always select Bitcoin. And if you are withdrawing ETH, or any other type of token, mostly all tokens are under ETH. If you're withdrawing ETH, always select this third one, that's Ethereum, ETH ERC20. That's for it. If you are withdrawing ETH. If you are withdrawing any other token, maybe like let's say Polkadot. Is it Polkadot or Polkadot? I don't know. Yeah, Polkadot, which is also an it's not an ERC20. You see the is a this thing on this one. You click on that on the dots. Understand? So let's see while we're drawing while we let's see while we're drawing. I want to use another token that is also an ERC20, which is under Ethereum, so you won't be choosing the wrong option. If I were doing coin like, let me check one from my Trust wallet. If I were doing coin like okay, coin like Swap or Yan Finance Bits YFBT, but we don't have these ones on Binance. I don't think all these coins are on Binance. No. Okay, Trust Swap is on Binance. Trust Swap. Okay, you Trust. Trust is an ERC20 token. So you see, it's the only option it has is ERC20. Select ERC20, then put in the amount you want to send, the address you are sending it to, submit, then follow that through. So this will be coming to the end of this live stream, and I really appreciate everybody who stayed throughout the live stream. I know it's been kind of rough. I didn't start on the time I was supposed to start, but I'm really sorry for the delay in transmission. But the next live stream will be smooth and easier, and it will be well organized than this. So this is just for a start. I'll be doing a video. It's not going to be a live stream, so that you can watch that anytime. I'll be doing a video explaining the basics of cryptocurrency, everything, so we understand the concept of everything. We understand how each smart chain, how each contract address works, and how everything works. So you'll be able to play around everything. Because we have different type of contracts. Bitcoin is different from Ethereum, and Ethereum is different from Tron. Tron is different from Polkadot. Polkadot is different from the rest, and we have other coins that are under Ethereum. So mostly of the ERC20, mostly of the coins I invest in are under Ethereum network. So for the purpose of this live stream, we'll come to an end. Thank you to everybody who stayed throughout the live stream. I know it wasn't easy, but I really appreciate the love. Thanks, and I'll be pasting link for the new videos in the group chat, so you can get the WhatsApp group chat link on my WhatsApp status. So we've come to the end of this. Thank you.